So guys, today is going to be a homeware haul. I went homeware shopping in Primark and in Poundland. Currently decorating the kids' room. I finished off with my daughter's room, but then I've got something for her that I got from Primark that I'm going to be putting in there. I'm moving on to decorating the boys' room, and also I'm currently decorating my room. So we're gonna start off with Primark. Now I went in there to look for a jacket for my son, and I was like, let's have a browse around in the homeware section. Found out they reduced all of the Disney cushions. So I picked up three. All three of them are different. So first one, Buzz Lightyear. This was 7 reduced to 3. So you got this for the boys' room, obviously. And you know, when they grow out of like the Buzz Lightyear Toy Story, or to be honest, I've got 2 more younger kids. I've got a 3-year-old and obviously the baby. So this will probably get used for a good number of years. Yeah, this I saw in a different Primark store nearer to me, so I grabbed it. Originally I didn't see this cushion in the other store, but the first cushion that I did see was Woody. I saw Woody, I was like, Woody, I'm gonna come back for you. It was reduced to £3. Came back on Saturday, couldn't find Woody. I was like, oh my goodness, it was so late. I was so disappointed. I was like, oh, so disappointed. I wanted Woody yesterday. We went back to the shops, yeah? Went back to shops because I went back to the shops for a different reason. Went to get boots. You'll see it in my self-care, like retail therapy shopping spree that I went on, right? Went for boots. And again, I was like, you know what, let's have a look in the homeware section. And basically, next to the changing rooms, there's this basket. I see like these frills in the basket. And it was like this. It was in a basket like this, right? Yeah, so you can't see the woody part. It was like this. I started shouting. Like, and obviously I started shouting, Woody! We found Woody! They put it in like the basket, but it was turned like this. So, and all you can see is the brown frills. And I was like, that's Woody. That is Woody. And I grabbed it. I was like, ah. Oh. And it was, you know, there's someone standing outside the changing room area, so they could hear us, me and the kids, saying, we found Woody! See, I know, right? I was falling with so much happiness, like, because literally I haven't seen it since it was put inside the bag. Oh my goodness, don't you think that's cute? Minnie Mouse bow. Again, £3 from 7. Lovely. Next, Poundland. I was going to say Primark. Next, Poundland. In Poundland, they finally, yeah.
Baby, what's my shirt?
In Poundland, I picked up these. They've got them, guys. I've already bought one last time, but you know, I've got a pegboard from Poundland, and I was saying in a video back in January that I couldn't find the pegboard shelf. Poundland bought them, finally got the stock of the shelf, and I so far I've already got one up there, but then this week, during this week actually, I went back to the shop and got 2 more of these, because I feel like, yeah, it will work well, the way I will like position them. Yeah, so I got the shelf, finally got the shelf. I can't find the pots anymore. Again, I'm gonna try and travel to another Poundland stores. Also, I picked up bathroom and kitchen acrylic for filling cracks and gaps. Don't need this for the bathroom. I actually need this for my bedroom more. It works perfectly anyway. So yeah, that's for my bedroom, decorating it. And yeah, also new stock in Primark. These frames, you guys remember these A3 frames, right? But these ones are proper, like these boxed ones. You can tell, like they're proper, like boxed. Yeah, you can tell. Yeah, they've got like a different version of them. This just came this week. I grabbed 2 on Monday. The reason why I got these, because you know those poster wall art they're selling there. I think they started selling it last year, didn't they? Yeah, those poster wall art that they were selling, and they were selling like frames to go with them. Basically, I got 2 more of those recently. You probably would have seen in a haul. And yeah, those posters got reduced to 50p in my store, and I got the pink floral one, and yeah, I need to go back and get another one of these, because I've got 3 of the pink floral posters, and I'm gonna put it on my wall above the bed. Yeah, and I feel like it's gonna look a bit weird if these 2 frames are different and that frame is the old frame. Yeah, I feel like it's gonna look a bit weird. I thought it would be perfect for my room. I'm gonna see if they're perfect also for the kids' room, because they're really nice and big. That was it, guys, for my homeware haul. I'm really happy with everything I got. Everything's just really nice essential stuff for the kids' room. It's gonna make the kids' room look more. These cushions are just gonna make the kids' room look really nice, really nice. And yeah, I'm excited to like decorate the boys' room. I feel like out of all the rooms, I am excited about the boys' room, because yeah, it's been plain for quite a while, and it's like how I'm gonna work with dark blue. And also their room is quite small. It's a little bit crowded because it's not a big room. We do plan on moving one day, but in the meantime, oh gosh, but in the meantime, we've got to make it look nice. So that's what I'm doing. I will see you guys on my next video, and yeah, watch out for the decorate videos that's coming really soon. And yeah, bye guys.